thulium laser lithotripsy for 2.5 centimeter stone, 61-year-old male patient. .5 centimeter hard stone situated in the right renal pelvis. As you all know that thulium is now on the way for the laser lithotripsy in competition with the holmium laser. This thulium laser has advantages of having wide frequency range and energy ranges. It can vary from 0.2 to 1.5 and frequency may vary from 10 Hz to 100 Hz. Most of the thulium laser lithotripsy is in experimental stage. Most of the thulium laser lithotripsy is on the demo missions. We have done this in comparison with thulium and holmium laser lithotripsy. We observed that thulium is faster in making the powder. Vibration at the tip of the laser fiber is less. When the laser fiber goes close to the stone, it produces sparking, which some of the seniors say an artifact effect and no consequences to the scope or the stone, but needs to be evaluated. The popcorn is very fast with thulium when compared to the holmium, and large stone burden can be pulverized in faster time. If thulium laser is safe and approved by all the formalities, then slowly may compete very well with holmium laser. In this case, we could achieve almost complete clearance with fine fragmentations made. They were made still fine with thulium, and this part of the surgery, which is popcorning, appears to be very fast with thulium, and by chance if thulium touches the mucosa, it burns but does not produce bleeding, it only coagulates. So the lack of the vision is unlikely in this laser lithotripsy.